Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Oh. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
Hey, see.
Thank you.
Don't think you've won. When you're just entering problem, or you think I saved you, the journey is still far. Potawa.
My happiness is that my husband has been vindicated. Do you have a problem with that?
Vindicated by who? See, let me tell you, justice must prevail. There is nothing you and your husband will do. You can never hide away from your shame and your crime. Bet me, both of you will be banished on this video. Put me a bet. See me, I don't know. Kutaya.
Remove your hand from this.
Kutaya. Name me a foolish woman. That is why you will not give my brother children.
Talking about who is married, when are you supposed to get married?
Hey, I will marry.
You will marry? Who's going to marry a rotten idiot just like you? I don't understand it. At your age, you're staying in your mother's house eating mama tankuma. You should be ashamed of yourself. I will
marry. From what? Can you understand? Thank you for saving me.
Thank you for saving me. Thank you.
Who can I buy a problem? Who not for a problem? Who they say boogie? Hi, Charo.
Emeka connived with the mortuary attendant to frame his brother up. That was what happened.
Hey! God of wonders. Papa, this is very wicked. So Emeka was guilty all this while. He went to the extent of locking his brother up.
Do you know that he went back to the man's office to bribe him? And also said no, he will not continue with the deal because he was already feeling guilty.
Okay, so Papa, if I may ask, what did he do with his father's corpse?
He will tell us what he did with the corpse or where he kept it. In fact, I will make sure I will deal with him until he confesses.
Chinwe, after everything. And she's the only friend I have in this community, Papa.
Emeka deceived everybody and made us believe that Edochie was the bad one, while he is the bad egg.
This is wickedness, so I don't even know what to call this one now. I don't even know what to say. I must go and see my friend Chinwe. I'm already feeling bad.
Oh, men will call my Ebu Chama. My Ebu Chama. My daughter, how are you?
Thank you, sir.
That's good.
Akonna, you are welcome.
My Ebu. My Ebu.
I'm coming. I need to get something.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Chama, is it true? Abuja, is it true? Yeah? Look, you see what is happening. I met Ebu on the road. He was the one who told me that you met Emeka at Ozo's office, where he was about killing the young man. Is it true?
It is true. Ebu was the first person I met on my way to the mortuary. I went there to get some information. Ozo was there. He told me everything. Emeka too was there. But all he told me will pass now, for now. I will not say it until the day of our meeting.
Wonders shall never end. So, that boy is that evil.
He is evil. And I will make sure I deal with him until he confesses.
Ebu Chairman, you need to act fast, now. That boy must tell us exactly what happened to Chinedu's body. Yes.
He will tell us.
He need to tell us.
What happened to the body or where he kept the body.
Definitely. You can imagine that kind of a thing. If you let that boy be, that boy will corrupt the whole of the community.
so long as I'm the chairman of this kindred, I must get to the root of the matter.
Abomination. Abomination. Please do something fast. We are all behind you.
Madam Grace.
Yes, Father.
You say your husband's corpse has not been found up until now?
Yes, Father. At first, my first son was being accused. Now the story has changed. They are accusing my second son. I don't know what to believe. I am totally confused.
Don't be confused. Be strong. The devil is at work. But we as Christians will not sit back and allow the devil to take the glory. No, we won't. This is a time to pray. We'll pray very hard so that the wishes of the enemies will not manifest.
Father, my major problem is my first son. He is hell-bent on taking his pound of flesh on the younger one. I'm tired. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, Sister Grace. All these are handiworks of the enemy, of the devil. But you see, I believe in the God I save, and I know everything will be all right. Just believe. Do not lose faith. Don't. The wishes of the enemy will never prevail. We are children of God and will triumph at the end of the day.
Amen.
Amen. Let us pray.
The enemy, Mokwanya, Famukwanya, day and night. The enemy, Mokwanya.
You must. I got China, make money. Nata or poor, walking up a kufu. You are nobody. Walking up a kufu. Baby, chalo. Let's see. I don't leave my father. No. I don't leave my father. No. Emeka, stop. Come on. Emeka, because come on. Okay. Emeka. No. Back up! You're picking up now. You're a wicked man. You're an evil man. Evil man. Wake up. Lord. Get me. Where's his khaki? Help me.
Because Papa's brother against his brother. He went on no Nigeria. Because Papa's cause. No more peace here. No more joy again. It brings you a batago. It's a season. No more trust anymore. They don't believe each other.
No.
How are you?
Fine.
Is your brother back?
Mama, he's not back. Oh, I've not seen him.
Your brother is not back.
He's not back.
what happened to my son? Amara, what happened to my son? I don't understand what you're saying.
What happened to Obiora now?
Amara, open your mouth and talk. What happened to my son?
Emeka and Edochie, they were fighting. So Obiora now came to separate them.
Guinea,
What
hey!
What is it?
What happened?
Edochie killed your son.
Hey!
Hey! Obiora! Obiora! I want you! I want you, Obiora! Mirari enumo! Mirari enumo! Iro kobemo wa! Iro kobemo! Mirari enumo! Mirari enumo! Mirari enumo! Where's my brother? Where is Obiora? What happened? Obiora! Obiora! Hey, what have these people done to my brother? Look at my brother's castle. I did not see him. I did not see him. I did not see him. This is God. Go to the back. Go and check to that side. Let me keep knocking at the door. I know that somebody is inside this house. I don't care. What have you put on to my brother? What have you put on to my brother? You fight my brother from you. Hey, Obiora! Where are you? Obiora! Edochie, come out! Come out! I'm waiting for you people! Come out here! Come out here! Emeka! Edochie! Hey! Hey! Obiora, what the more? Oh! Obiora! Hey!
Hey! Monica is not around. Where's your father? Oh, call him on phone, eh? Tell him that something terrible has happened in our land.
Tell me what happened. Now when I call him, I'll tell him.
Edochie and his brother, they have killed Obiora while he was trying to settle them in fight.
Killed Obiora?
Yes, he was trying to separate them.
Okay, I'll call him.
Call him now. Pass the message to him now. Hey! Hello! Hello, Eme! Hey! Hello! Hello!
Why is everywhere quiet? Informer! Informer, open the door! Edochie! Oh. Anyway! When my fellow monos, I know you are there. Open the door. Why is everywhere quiet? Again in a mess. Mother, I'm up and on that because. Huh?
How can everyone disappear?
It shall never be well with you and your family. It shall never be well with you and your family. Hey, Grace, I curse you this day. I curse you for taking away the life of my only son. Hey, Grace, what did I do to you people? What did I do to you people? Hey, I want my son. I want my son to stay away from this cursed family. And he wouldn't listen. Now you people have taken away the life of my... Yes, I curse you.
I reject your curse.
Okay, you will never reject it. Grace, you will never reject this.
And I am rejecting it.
You will never, because
you rejecting it.
Because your son killed my son. The only evil my son committed was trying to separate your two sons from fighting. Your son killed my son.
I don't understand. Eh? I'm just coming from the parish house. I went to see the father. What happened?
My son is dead. My son is dead. And don't say your son killed my son. Grace, peace will never reign in this family. Generation to generation, you will never see peace. That is what you will see in this family. Grace, I reject it. Chimo!
Omenuko, your brother, is the cause of what is happening in Chinyelugo's house today.
How is my brother the cause of what is happening in Chinyelugo's house today? Is he the one that told Obiora not to listen to his mother and stay away from Chinyelugo's family? Or is he the one that told Edochie to kill Obiora? How is he the cause?
I warned him to stop the rain on time when it was gathering. He refused. He was only interested in what he's going to do to Emeka.
Stop taking this personal. You are taking it too personal. There is no way our chairman will do your wish. He told me how you came the other time in his house and insulted him.
Come on, Ebue. Let us be sincere for once. I did not insult your brother Omenuko. I was only advocating for peace. All this wouldn't have happened had it meant your brother listened to me.
There is no way our chairman will listen to you. Get that into your thick skull. Stop laying blames on my brother because I know your motive.
What is my motive? Ebue, what is my motive?
Your motive is you want to unseat my brother and take over the leadership of our woman. See, leave my brother alone. Leave my brother alone. Wait for your own turn. Eh? Jonah, change your evil ways.
Look at.
I will not warn you again.
Look at this one. Evil people. Selfish people. Ebu, you and your brother, eh? You people this spirit.
Chinwe, where are you coming from? Chinwe, is it true that your husband has killed Obiora? Chinwe, I'm asking you.
What sort of stupid question is that? No, what exactly do you want to hear from me?
Let it not be true. Eh? Let it not be true. Because he must simply go to jail. This will not be like the case of his father's missing corpse.
jiro ya fo. Wanda marazi wanda ya. Mano jiro ya fo. Wanda marazi wanda ya. Ifo joy mere nenuwa. Isigi all the wicked people can never go unpunished. It can never go unpunished. All the wicked people can never go unpunished. It can never go unpunished. All the wicked people can never go unpunished.
Are the keys?
Give it to me.
Huh?
Give the key to me.
Let me just wait.
Go back. I don't want to see you in this compound. Go back. Them key. Those so chill.
Obiora. Obiora.
Thank your God that Obiora did not die at the hospital.
I don't have to blame me at all. You were not there to know what happened. Cheers, one, you know. Warn him.
Why should I warn Emeka? Chukwedozie, give me one reason why I should warn Emeka. But you wouldn't listen. Is it not the same matter that led to the fight?
Mama.
You were planning on killing your younger brother for nothing.
Is this what you said?
Is it not what you planned? Did you not plan killing Emeka before Obiora became the victim?
But Mama, he made the first move. With machete. Uwadana.
Hey! Onyashi! Brother, you're lying. Brother, you can lie. I've never seen anybody that lie like you. Mama, it's a lie. No. You see this, my brother? He was there. His wife now slapped Emeka. He could not even say anything.
If I dare stand up from this place, he ain't get me. I'll just give you a dirty slap. Are you mad?
Why would you slap her? What? You think I've not heard? She told me everything. Chinwe has no right to slap my son.
Did she not tell you what led to the slap?
Whatever that led to the slap, Chinwe, and we're all right to slap Emeka, and you did nothing about it.
Mama, stop saying this. You're supporting evil, and it's not good. Emeka insulted me. I was calling my wife and I names. Called my wife a prostitute. Odema. This has not ended. I'm waiting for him to come back home.
You will make it. Emeka will ever and you lay your filthy hands on my son again. What I will do to you.
Let's watch and see.
What has gone wrong with this boy?
Mama, you're asking as if you don't know. You see that his stupid wife? She's the cause of all these things. That's why he's behaving like this. Only me, I copy.
Hi. I can see the video.
We'll be alright. You're fine now, right? Make us smile. Cheer up, eh? Thank you so much for staying by my side these 5 days. It's nothing. And also taking care of the hospital bill. I really appreciate it.
Why are you thanking him? Obiora, why are you thanking him? Obiora, what if they have succeeded in killing you? Would you be alive to thank him for taking care of your funeral?
Mama, stop now. Emeka here is not a bad person. Besides, what happened was an accident. It was not intentional.
Obiora, leave this family alone. Leave them alone. Emeka, leave my family alone. Let them sort themselves before you start going to that place. Leave them alone, Obiora.
See, Emeka, don't mind my mother, okay? Don't mind her.
she's your mother now, so it's normal for her to protect you. She doesn't want anything to happen to you.
Please, don't listen to whatever she's saying.
It's okay. All right, I'll beg to take my leave now. I'll call you once I get home. Yeah?
Wait. Are you really going back to the house?
Of course. Where else do you want me to go? I cannot run away from my father's house because of that useless brother of mine, Edochie, and the wife. I can't.
Emeka, if you ask me, I suggest you stay away from that family for now.
What are you? I should stay away from my own family. Eh? Are you forgetting who I am? Maicon Emeka. Maicon the Python. You know how this thing goes. I will stay away from Edochie, common Edochie that has not made money. For what now? Listen, 5 days gone. I've not been with my family. I'm even thinking this is a kind of distraction, so I won't know what is going on in my family. My father's corpse is missing. I've not seen my father's corpse up to date. And I should just pipe low and go somewhere and hide because of Edochie. God forbid. I will go there. And moreover, the chairman of this land is going around spreading my name, saying nonsense about me. For what? I have to go and face him, face them, face everybody and get my father's corpse.
Emeka, I understand. But the reason why I'm saying is for you to be very careful. Please. A lot has happened already. Okay? I'm only showing concern.
A lot more will happen. A lot more will happen if I don't see my father's corpse. My guy, chill, relax. Thank God you're fine. You will hear the news later. Alright, let me just start going now. Please be careful. Alright, take care of yourself. Do not do anything hard because of your head. Alright?
I understand. I appreciate it.
On call, eh?
I appreciate it, Emeka.
One love.
Thank you.
Alright. I'll just get the cab or keke here.
Be careful, Emeka. Please. Mama, you are feeling I don't like it. To be honest with you, I do not like it, Mama. To be honest with you.
Anyway, I am very happy for you. God has vindicated you and your husband.
My dear, I am grateful to God.
But hold on. Your husband's brothers, they are very dangerous. What do they really stand to gain with all these things they've done now? What do they
Is that why you are here?
Mama, good afternoon,
Mama. My friend, shut up. Now sit down. I said sit down! Who made you judge over my household? Do you think I will allow you come here and waft everything? You want to cause more chaos?
Mama, I don't like this now. You're embarrassing my
Shut your
visitor.
Mama, please, I don't know what you're talking about, please.
Now listen. I do not want to see you ever in this compound again. I don't want to repeat myself. Get out.
Mama, she's not going anywhere.
I said you should get out. I don't want to repeat myself.
It's okay. I will go, Ma, but...
You don't need to go. My friend, shut your mouth.
Mama, please, I do not know what is happening in your family and I'm not part of it.
Mama, I don't like this at all. I don't like this one bit.
It's okay.
I don't like it all.
I'll go, Ma.
Yes, go. Okay. Mama! Aselebakute. Atolok man galegenge. Aselebakute.
Mama, I don't like this.
Enough! Enough is enough. A time like this, there's no one to talk. Yeah. If you don't know what to do, carry your Bible, read, meditate. I don't like this. Tell her to come again. You don't like it. You are going here again. Tell her to enter here again. There are things you don't listen to. This time of Christ, there are things you don't listen to.
Now I greet you.
Edochie, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
I called you for something very important. I have served the Igwe's summon to your brother through your mother. And something has to be done about it.
I'm listening.
Okay. I say, atụọrọ mmadụ ọmara atụọrọ ofeke ofe isi n'ọhịa. I want both of us to embark on a journey.
Now, what kind of journey are you talking about?
Ibian, your late father's corpse need to be found at all cost.
But we already know who is behind the disappearance.
But we need to be very sure and also know where the corpse was kept. And your late father's remains must be laid to rest.
Okay. Where do we go to and how do we go about it?
Before I tell you this, promise me one thing.
Okay, I'm ready to do anything. As far as my father's corpse is being found, I'm ready to do whatever you want me to do.
Bam.
Mama, what is it?
It's for you. What is the letter for?
Mama, I've been summoned at the palace tomorrow, and the complainant is Omenuko.
Omenuko?
What is wrong with this man? It is very obvious that Omenuko has an interest in this matter, because I don't understand. Why must he be the one to summon me? I mean, if I should be summoned, it should be my elder brother Edochie, just like I summoned him. What is wrong with Omenuko or whatever his name is?
Why would Omenuko summon you to the palace?
Somebody should warn him. Somebody should warn him. Fact.
Why would Omenuko summon you to the palace?
Don't know. This is like not stupid, useless later.
No, I'll be waiting for your call, as we agreed. Okay.
I will call you exactly 9 a.m.
Okay.
I will call you. Just get ready.
Oh! Evil plotters! Evil plotters! So this is where you are? Eh? This is where you are, plotting evil against your own brother.
The way you did during your own time.
Really?
Yes.
What are you doing in my house? You. Why are you here?
Are you asking me?
Yes.
Are you asking me? Why did you report me to the Igwe? Huh? Omenoko or whatever they call you. Why did you report me to the Igwe, the king of this land? Why did you report me to him?
Because you did the same thing to your own brother. You reported your brother first.
What is your business with that? Eh? What is your business with that? I reported my brother to the Igwe. Is it not the same person that will report me back to the Igwe? Why are you foreclosing into our affair? This is a family affair. What are you doing? You're just a third party in this family affair. Stay away from my family. Stay away from my family. Or Menuko or whatever they call you. I won't warn you again.
Look at it. I am the chairman of Umuna. I am the chairman. This is Umuna's affair.
It is not Umuna's affair.
It is.
It is not Umuna's affair. Short, useless devil. You are just a third party. Stay away from my family. You guys come here and plot evil against me. And then, listen. My father's corpse is missing, and I must see my father's corpse. You're talking nonsense. Where's my father's corpse?
Do you have a father?
Ask him.
Do you?
Is that what you have to say? No problem. If you interfere in my family business again, eh? So, Badiro, keep plotting. Keep plotting. I know where to meet you.
Okay, I'm able to.
I know where to meet you.
Don't mind him. Don't mind him.
Oh, yeah, I'm able to. You know where it's coming from. Your father's son.
Emeka, why are you this mischievous? Emeka, why did you lie to me the last time you came here? Why will you lie against your brother and try to frame him up with a crime you committed? Why will you do that?
A crime I committed? Igwe, where is all this coming from? I did not commit any crime. And I told you all that based on the information Mr. Ozo, the mortuary attendant, told me.
The information you paid him to give out?
I paid him to give out. Why will I pay Ozo for? What will I pay him?
Emeka, listen and listen good. If you know where you kept your father's cup, provide it immediately. What is wrong with you?
My king, I don't understand. I cannot be with my father's corpse and then come to you and start saying my brother is with it. I cannot lie. Why will I come before the king and lie? If I lie, let me die.
Will you shut up? Do you know the implication of what you just said now? Do you?
Also, thank God you came here.
Mr. Ozo,
just tell the king, sit down.
Tell me the truth. Tell me where is the chief Chinedu's corpse? Where is it?
Igwe, may your days belong. This young man came to me.
Yes.
And told me that him and his family have arranged to move his father's corpse. Yeah. I said okay, and I gave him some papers to sign. After signing, he carried the father's corpse away.
Are you okay?
Will you shut up?
Well, can I
shut up! Let me continue.
When? So,
hey.
2 days later,
be quiet.
He came back and confessed. Tell me that he gave out the wrong signature.
Jesus Christ!
That he gave out his elder brother's signature. I said, why will you do that kind of thing? He now said that I should not talk, that you bribe me with 300,000.
Hey!
And I tell him, no, I'm a man of peace and justice. I cannot do such a thing. I'm a man of truth. I am trustworthy. He now said that if I don't do it, that he will get back to me. I thought that the matter have ended. Tomorrow he came back with a gun.
Hey!
Now threatening to kill me, that I should accept now and say my last prayer if I don't accept.
Honestly speaking,
I was very scared. I don't know what to do. I had to accept because
Emeka,
my king,
Emeka, will you shut up? Listen, you have nothing to say.
Hey!
Emeka, you have nothing to say. Because you came here to lie to me. Listen and listen good.
Also,
Emeka,
my king,
listen and listen good.
I'm listening.
I give you 3 days to provide your father's corpse wherever you keep it. Jesus. Provide it in 3 days' time or face banishment.
Hey!
Get out of my palace.
Do you know the worst part? He told me that if he carried this cup, that he would take it to mortuary. And now that he take it to another mortuary. And I overheard him speaking to himself. I said that if he carried that cup, you know he just say anima back.
Why are you lying to me? Why are you lying against me?
That you got to keep it inside.
Leave the palace.
Leave here.
Yes.
Also, me. I threatened to kill you.
You even threatened to
provide that
carry your father's cup.
It's okay. It's okay.
I can hear you. I don't teach you. Lord, I can hear you. Hold it. Hold it. Hold this place. Thank you. Who is Chief? I can hear you. Lord, I can hear you. I am hearing the name. Chief, I'm seeing with the red cap. Chief Chinedu.
That is my late father.
Yahweh. Yahweh does not lie. Hey, Amy, bye. Amy, bye. Who is Emeka?
Emeka?
Yes.
Like my younger brother.
Wickedness. Wickedness. Wickedness in the high places. Ha! How can the son be so bad? So bad-hearted to his father.
My prophet, are you saying that he has a hand in my father's corpse disappearance?
Yes, it is said. In those days, son shall rise against the father. Now it has come to pass. Your brother transferred your father's corpse to another mortuary. I can see him. I can see the body lying helplessly. And the spirit has been caged so that he cannot do anything. He cannot fight back. Chinyerugo, sorry. Chinyerugo, sorry. And what is the plan of your brother? Is to mutilate the body and sell the past.
Yeah?
Yes.
He brought Suya home the other day.
Your brother is into body pass selling. He sells human parts. So you do not know. Your father is not the first person. Ask him! Sing this song with me. Sing with me. 3 days. You have 3 days to stop him.
Igwe gave me 3 days to provide my father's corpse or I will face banishment. I want to know what is going on. Eh? Why will I hide my own father's corpse? Why will I hide him? What will I use my father's corpse to do? I tried to explain to you. You're still lying! Hey! You're still lying! Where did you keep that corpse? Where did you keep that corpse? Where did you keep that corpse? Oh, you're still lying! You have the guts to stand here and lie! Mama, hold him! Hold him! Hold him! Don't stay your own!
You've been exposed. If you don't know it now, where did you keep that corpse? Say it now.
Where did I keep what? Huh? Where did I keep what? No! Listen to yourself! No, you listen to yourself! First, it was you. They made me believe that it was you that hid our father's corpse. Yes, they want to destroy our family. They want us to separate. They want us to scatter. Now, everybody now is not saying that I am the one that took my father's corpse. Can't you see? Can't you see the handwriting on the wall? Emeka, it's not obvious.
Emeka, you are a big liar. And I will not have you mutilate my father's corpse all in the name of making money. You are a ritualist.
Leave him alone. But I leave him alone. You think that you cannot even see something? Eh? You cannot even use your head. Your mama will cook. You cannot see that something. Somebody is standing on the street. You cannot see.
Mama, I'll fight you. If it's someone that concerns you people will be supporting him. Because he's the one being accused now, not me. Eh? I'll give you today, tomorrow. Else! How am I sure you're not the one that told them? How am I sure this boy? How am I sure you're not the one that told them to accuse me?
There's nothing you will do.
He cannot do anything.
Emeka, leave him. Leave him. He's just a madman. He cannot see that somebody is planning to scatter this family. He'll be there. Go. Ha!
I'm not supposed to be everything. I know you support.
I will not support.
Once it concerns Emeka, you support.
Where is my father's corpse?
Tell you everything. Do you understand? I'll give you.
Where's my father's corpse? Where's my father's corpse? Idiot!
See, I put on my phone and go.
Useless boy.
Go and bring our father's corpse. Yo! Mama,
Mama, obviously, Edochie wants war. No, obviously, Edochie wants war in this house. But when it starts happening, avoid me. When it starts happening, avoid me.
Mama, let me tell you. See, Emeka is innocent.
There is nothing anybody will tell me. Oh. You see, Emeka, he's very, very innocent. Stop crying now. Why are you shouting Chimo, Chimo? It's the Edochie that is the problem. Mama, when you open out, okay? It's the Edochie that is looking for trouble. He's the one looking for trouble.
My people, we are all welcome.
Thank you, Chairman. Thank you, Chairman.
You all know me. I'm like a white plate. I fell ocha. I cannot hide it. I summoned this meeting to let all of you here know that I have confirmed what happened in Chinedu's house.
Okay.
Should I go ahead?
Go ahead, our chairman. We are only interested in the truth.
Go ahead. Yes.
Okay. Emeka, that boy, Emeka, is responsible for his father's missing corpse.
Oh?
Yes. He took the corpse to a different mortuary with the intention of selling his father's body parts.
Abomination. Arrow. Oh, wow. Chairman, this is evil. That boy needs to be banished from this community before he pollutes our youth.
Okay. I will say that I go for Iyke. So, before they will say Ichie Omenoko said this or that, this is Edochie here. Let us hear from the horse's mouth so that all of you can hear. Edochie, tell them what you know about this whole thing.
No. We were told that we have only 3 days to stop Emeka, else it will be too late.
Chairman, this is an abomination. You have to give your order. Let's go and bundle him to this place.
Yes.
You must say where he kept the corpse.
Sure. Yes, just give us order. Let's go and bundle him.
Well, there will be no need for that. Because the Igwe has given him 3 days to provide this corpse. Else, he will be banished. Yes. We'll banish him from this land.
Yes. Chairman, please, can you explain to us where you got this information? Are you out of your mind? Must he tell you where he went to?
Yes, of course. He needs to tell us. Because this matter is a serious one and we have to be very, very careful.
Yes! You must be very stupid for saying that. Hey boy, why are you insulting me? Insulting you what? No, why are you insulting me? Insulting you what? What will you do? What will you do? I will beat you black and blue here. You're asking me what I will do. What will you do? What can you do? You're asking me what can you do? Can you do it? Yeah, this guy. Can you do it? Yes, this guy.
Allow him. Sit down.
He's always taking on me.
Oh, no. I don't have their time. Next meeting, they will not even see me. They will not see me in that their meeting. Because it's like, it's only gossip.
I must go to that meeting. You don't even know me.
I'm not going anywhere. The gossip in that meeting is too much.
My God, and I do.
So, I'm for good of you. No, come on. Give me the way. It's already what I need to run. When you come in, you come in. No. Mamuche, one name. Who am I saying?
You are saying the Almighty,
acclaimed righteous woman of our community. The one whom her son used her husband's corpse for ritual. Look at her.
You are right, my sister. You are right. How the mighty are falling. I cannot forget in a hurry. Today, this Grace came to my house and insulted me because of my daughter. She said I did not train my daughter well. Why?
Okay, so who is now the good mother?
Have you not heard? Igwe gave her son, Emeka, 3 days to produce her husband's corpse. Or else he will be vanished. Yes.
I can't wait for it to happen. Let's see who the real bad mother is. After her son's banishment, let me see how she will raise her shoulders again. We, the women of this community, will excommunicate her and her family out of this land. Nonsense woman.
Bam! I support you.
Let's go.
I support you.
Let's go.